G'day YouTube. This is going to be an unboxing video of the Logitech gaming keyboard G510, and also do a quick comparison of my current G110 to this one. Basically, what this one's got is it's got 18 programmable macro keys, a game panel LCD screen, USB ports, microphone jack, headphone jack, customizable backlighting, game desktop mode. Oh, okay, so it lets you switch. There's a switch on there in case you accidentally hit the Windows key. Disables the Windows key. So yeah, multi-key input. So there's no ghosting on it. So you can press all your buttons at once if you feel like it, without delayed response. Yeah, let's get this puppy open. I got this on sale at M-Wave online for $99. They only had 10 units also at that price. I was lucky enough to get one. Oh shit. Put the camera down. Anyway, so inside that box there's another box. Pull it up the right way. Sorry, I'm not feeling 100% this morning. So yeah. Oh, come on, don't do this to me. Okay, so you've got in there, you've got game panel, LCD. Oh shit. Sorry, getting to know your Logitech keyboard. Getting started again, it's the same thing. Important information, and set point and driver CD. Nothing cool under here. Oh, it's got a wrist pad as well, which I might be using. I've got limited space on this desk, which is kind of homosexual. Oh my god. No, stay down there. So yeah, it feels this is pretty much the keyboard. You got your standard volume, roller, media keys, your game panel. You got two microphone headphone jacks. Apparently there was meant to be a USB port on here, but that just shot that out of everywhere. You got your 18 programmable macro keys, your profiles. There's your switch there I was talking about. Microphone, headphone jack, disable buttons. Yeah, it's the keys on these feel much the same, really. These feel a lot less. Well, the ones on here feel a lot more friction. You can feel a lot more friction on them, whereas these ones here are nice and smooth. Yeah, that one's more of a dark colour, whereas this one's a light grey colour around the edges. So I think that's pretty much it. I hope it's pretty much it. So yeah, anyway, thanks for checking out my unboxing.